everyone, welcome back. In this video I will share with you sample question and answer of emerging technology on chapter 1, and this video is chapter 1 part 2 sample question and answer. If you are new here and if you need to learn or get technology related video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and you will not miss any video which are released from this YouTube channel or from Lamishow Tube. Question number 1. Define the term emerging technology. What is the impact of emerging technology on individual, society, and environment? Here is the answer. Question number 3. List at least 6 currently available emerging technologies. So these are some of currently available emerging technologies. Question number 4. In industrial revolution, what are fundamentally changed and transfer the world around us to the modern society? So these 4 things are the things that change the world into the modern society. Question number 5. What is or are improved using industrial revolution? Transportation, communication, and industry have been improved by using industrial revolution. Question number 6. What are the most important innovations of industrial revolution? So these are some of the things that have been introduced or invented during industrial revolution. Question number 7. List 4 types of industry with their goal and example. So these are types of industry with their function. Question number 8. Where in the industrial revolution started? As we know, industrial revolution started in late 1700 in England or Great Britain. Question number 9. Industrial Revolution 4.0 is known as cyber physical system. What does by mean cyber physical system? Here is the answer. Question number 10. List the types of industrial revolution and list what introduced during those industrial revolution. So here are types of industrial revolution within their inventions. Question number 11. Write the difference between industrial revolution 1, 2, 3 and industrial revolution 4. So this is industrial revolution 1, this is industrial revolution 2. This industrial revolution 3 and this industrial revolution 4. Question number 12. Write the role of data for emerging technologies. Question number 13. List about some programmable device and explain their property. Question number 14. In the world of digital electronic system, there are 4 basic kind of device. What are those devices? Question number 15. Is computer is programmable device? Why? The answer is yes. And here is the reason why computer is programmable device. Question number 16. List at least 4 network-related equipment or service-enabling devices. So these are some of network-related device or service-enabling device. Question number 17. What are the 3 parts of human-computer interaction, or HCI or HMI? These are the answer. Question number 18. What is the goal of human-computer interaction, or HMI or HCI? Here is the answer. Question number 19. List at least 3 main advantages of human-computer interaction. Question number 20. List at least 3 disciplines contributing to human-computer interaction. Thank you for watching. For more video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel or Lamishow Tube. See you in the next video. Bye bye.